Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Studies. Here I will discuss the engineering subjects such as mathematics, engineering mechanics. If it's possible, I will also discuss the first year electronic course. If all of you subscribe my channel, I will surely discuss electronic course. So today I will start the topic Laplace transform. So what is Laplace transform? By the way, this video is an introductory video. From next video we will start seeing the different formulas which are very much necessary to solve problems. Laplace transforms helps us in solving differential equations with boundary values without finding the general solutions and the values of arbitrary constants. So let's now move to definition, which is very much necessary. Let ft be a function of t defined at all positive values of t. Then the Laplace transform of ft, denoted by LFT, is defined by LFT integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. Also it is denoted as fs, which I will follow as notation in my future lectures, or f bar s in many books. And also this Laplace also will exist as the integral exists, and s is a parameter which may be real or complex number. So in my next lecture I will discuss the formula of Laplace transform of 1 and Laplace transform of t to the power n, and of course their proof also. I will give some examples and assignments which I will solve in the very next video. So guys, thank you, and of course watch my next video. Please subscribe my channel and like it. If you like my video, please subscribe it.